Look at that castle. Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care video. In this video I'm taking you around the old town of Dover. Now Dover has a one-way system that goes around it. Quick look on the map here. So I'm going to start at this roundabout, go all the way round the one-way system and end up back at this roundabout. I think there's going to be plenty of hazards to see, lots of perception, lots of things to be aware of. So I will say it as I see it, and I'll put my hazard markings on screen, my yellow and red squares. So here we go. I've got a bus being towed, so I'm going to slip into this lane because it's two lanes all the way around the one-way system. It'd be nice to get past the bus so that you haven't got a bus on the screen all the way. So there's going to be traffic lights, there's going to be cars, there's going to be junctions, there's going to be pedestrians. And it's going to be a bit hectic, indicating to my lane. Always kind of keep to the left-hand lane. I know I'm going straight on, you see, so I'm not turning right. There's no right or wrong here. You can be in the right-hand lane as well. It's not a dual carriageway. Because there are so many junctions that you're going to turn off and turn on from that, you know, you be in the lane that you need to be in. We're governed by the amount of traffic and the vehicle in front. You can't go cruising along, just keeping the wits about. I wonder how long it'll take to go around the one-way system. This is an old town. The Romans settled it. Old Devorium, and it has a steeped history in maritime and military significance. All the way through the Plantagenet era, the Tudor era, the Stuart era, the Georgian era, all the eras have used it as a significant port to sail from. Nothing coming from my blind spot. I'm going to slip into this lane because it seems to be moving faster than the other one, and at the end I want to swing right anyway. Traffic lights are red. I was talking about eras and I wasn't even giving you any hazards. Did you see any? Drop me a comment. Did I forget to put my little boxes up? Come on, don't go too yet. Persia wants to go. He's itching to go. And the lights are changing. I do like that I can transition while I'm sat at the traffic lights. As long as I'm not talking, then I can do a splice and you don't even notice it. The power of video editing. Right. It's still two lane, but you've got all these cars parked on the right. You can see the lines in the middle of the road, but actually if you're travelling in the right-hand lane, you're just going to have to filter onto the right anyway. Bend to the right, indicate into my lane. I'm going right after these lights. Pedestrians. This is an old part of Dover. Indicate right. Those cars are going straight on. So again, this whole stretch of the one-way system, you can see the one-way signs there. For the most part, it's two lanes, but every now and again it filters down into one. Cars at junction, cars parked on both sides. So hazards, pedestrians, car doors opening, cars coming in and out of junctions, but also coming in and out of parked spots. So the road indicator says that the right-hand lane and the left-hand lane are both for straight on, but also indicate that you should be in this lane if you're going left. in the other lane if you're going right. That makes sense, doesn't it? It's always advisable to keep your distance from the car in front. You know, that old don't be a space invader. Because there's kind of a lot of mini congestion going on, and if 2 or 3 cars ahead stop, ding ding ding, concertina job. Would you look at that castle? Isn't that splendorous? I'm keeping to the left lane. Cars are in both lanes, but you really have to kind of filter in and out. Buses coming out. I was in that lane, but he assumed I was going into the left lane, the right lane. I want to be in the left lane, so I will let him know. So 3 lanes here. The sign says 2 for the town centre on the left, 1 straight ahead, which goes on the road that we were just on. Lovely Saturday morning for a drive. Funky one-way system. It's like a mini M25 going all the way around Dover. 3 lanes, 2 straight ahead, 1 for turning right. I'm going to go in the middle lane because after these lights I need to turn right, so I want to be in the correct lane to do that. Everybody's driving superbly. It's all very good. It makes it pleasant to be on the roads when everybody else is driving nicely, I want to say. There's kind of no angst and no battles going on, you know, for supremacy. I'm in this lane, I'm going to go in front of you. Car turning. I have to slow down. No real hazards either. I was expecting quite a few. Pedestrians on my right with their backs to me. Could be a hazard if they come out. We're turning right. We're in the right-hand lane. I will indicate anyway, because people need to know what my intentions are. Down towards the Dover High Street. Some old glorious buildings here. No real hazards. They've erected these new water fountain features. Quite sure what the gimmick is there. Lights are changing, so it gives you a chance to see them. What are your thoughts on those things? Monstrosity? It doesn't appeal to me. But on a hot sunny day it might. Still on the one-way system. Nearly at the end of the journey, actually. More traffic lights. Will they change before I get there? Yes, they will. I thought I'd get through. And we're off. Quick glance to the left and right. Make sure no one's running the lights. Where am I going? I want to go straight across, so I'm going to stay in this lane. I could be in the left lane to go straight across as well. But the road sign, the markings on the road are saying that lane to go left, and I don't want to go left, I want to go straight on. So we're back to the roundabout. So there you go, that's the Dover Ring Road. Did you find that useful? I'm going to go swing round the roundabout and then jump up and disappear back the way I came. So that's it. end of the Dover Ring Road journey. Thanks for watching, bearing with, and I'll see you in another video.